Summerween, spooky fun in the summer scene. Paint it, craft and make it bright. Rustic Rose does Howling right. But it needs a little help. Elevate, elevate, elevate it.
And welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey, listen, friends, I want to come on here real quick because do you guys remember me showing you this little guy right here and how I painted that little pot and made that little pumpkin, and then I put my husband's little tree in there because I want to get ready to decorate it for Halloween. Anywho, friends, so I've been kind of working on stuff behind the scenes, trying to collect some ornaments and get everything ready because I know you guys are eager to see how that turns out before he takes it and puts it in his office. So I want to show you two things that I picked up, friends, so that way you can kind of be on the lookout when you're out and about and shopping and thinking, how can I use this? How can I incorporate this or make this into an ornament? So real quick, let me show you what I picked up. I'm hoping you're not getting too much glare. Let me bring it in close. I found these little guys, and I'm going to take them out real quick and show you what I did to elevate them. Look at how cute. They're these cute little coffee cups. And friends, yes, they're plastic, but in order to take away that plastic look, all I did was I went in with some Apple Barrel Nutmeg Brown, or use whatever brown you have on hand, and I just went in with a little brush, and I added some dimension. And on the top there, I just added some glitter. And that's all I did, friends. And I thought they turned out so cute. And again, after it's all set and dry, don't forget to go in with some Mod Podge to protect the little paint that you threw on. Now this one here, I didn't really do too much because the bottom cup is black, but I did add some little glitter on the top, and it's so cute, friends, how they turned out. And this was the only set, here's another one, the only set that I found. And as you can see down here, how I added some little brown paint for dimension. And friends, again, just to take away the plastic look. And friends, I'm gonna just put them right over here on this little tree. And I thought I had to come on here and show you so that you guys can be on the lookout for little things like that. Anywho, friends, the other thing is I was looking for a topper for the tree, and I found this guy. And friends, of course it didn't look like this when I bought it. And I'm thinking about redoing the little bow here, so I'm really not done. But the little moon here was just white, plain white. So I went in with some Apple Barrel yellow paint. And I don't know if you can see, but once that dried, I went around it a little bit with some brown to give it some dimension. And then I threw some glitter on there. Now all these little dots I added with just some Apple Barrel white paint. Did these little like little star-shaped lines there. I redid those. So again, friends, look around for items like this to be a tree topper, or yeah, I mean, or make a little witch. You could use make a witch and use this as her hat. Anywho, friends, I just want to come on here real quick and just encourage you to keep a lookout when you're out and about shopping. And friends, if there's ever anytime you have a question for me, don't forget to DM me. I'd be happy to answer your question. But friends, I hope this has inspired you to get out there and look for these cuties. And yeah, they'll make cute little ornaments for your tree. And I thought they turned out so cute. Anywho, friends, I hope this video has inspired you to get out there and get crafty. And if it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to sprinkle me out. And friends, till we see each other again, take care and bye-bye.
Summerween, spooky fun in the summer scene. Paint it, craft and make it bright. Rustic Rose does Howling right. But it needs a little help. Elevate, elevate, elevate it.